Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss gvSIG GIS software. It is very important for vector, raster, database and remote service. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Hit bell icon for new video. So let's start. First we go to our browser and we write here gvSIG gvSIG software. After it we click here gvSIG desktop. We click download gvSIG desktop. We go to as per requirement Windows 64-bit or Windows 32. So we click here Windows 64-bit and we download. We go to download folder, we copy it and paste our folder, paste here. We right click and run as administrator. We select here language, okay, and next accept term and condition, next, okay. We click here trial as per your requirement, next, done. Our software install. We open GV desktop. We successful download our gvSIG software. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching video.